We are going to talk about business loan. So what is business loan? Business loan is basically an unsecured loan which is taken by a self-employed person for expansion of business or working capital, short-term need and other. From where business loan can be taken? Business loan can be taken from either banks or NBFC. Bank. From any scheduled bank, business loan can be taken. NBFC business loan can be taken. Type of business loan. Following loans are considered as business loan, term loan. Drop down OD limit, DOD limit, balance transfer of existing business loan, top up on existing business loan. Who is eligible for business loan? There are different policies for industry to industry and bank to bank. However, generally any person who is self-employed and having age of 21 year to 70 year, having CIBIL score 700 plus, doing eligible business of more than 3 year and having GST registration or any business registration proof, having audited turnover of more than 2 crore in last year, having profit in last year, having at least 80% of turnover amount should be received in bank, and either his office or residence is owned by him or his spouse, parents. Then that person will be eligible at maximum places. Your person may be anyone, individual professionals like CA, doctors, etc. Sole proprietorship firm, company, partnership firm, LLP. Anyone doing business. What are the various methods for calculating business loan eligibility other than basic criteria? Income program. This program is applied when applicant is having audited balance sheet of last 2 year. Applicant business is in profit. As per banking, at least 80% sales realization is being reflected in bank statement. Applicant business is 3-year-old. Applicant is having 3-year GST registration, any other business registration proof. Banking program. This program is applied when applicant is not having audited balance sheet, applicant business is in loss or as per banking 80% sales realization is not being reflected in bank statement. Applicant is paying high EMI, applicant business is not 3-year-old. But for this program minimum 6-month business vintage is required and as per banking turnover should be more than 25 lakh. GST program. This program is applied when applicant is not having ITR and balance sheet, applicant business is in loss, applicant debtors are too high, example turnover is not being justified in banking, applicant is paying high EMI, applicant business is not having 3-year-old. But for this program minimum 12-month business vintage is required and as per banking turnover should be more than 25 lakh. ITR program. This program is applied when applicant turnover is less than 25 lakh. Applicant is not having any business registration proof. But for this program minimum 3-year ITR is required. Last filled ITR must be at least 3 lakh plus. As per banking turnover should be more than 10 lakh. In all the program loan amount differ bank to bank. Highest is under income base. What are the documents required for business loan? Documents requirement varies from banks to banks, however these are general list of documents. General documents required, KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Income documents. Last 3-year ITR with computation of applicant and co-applicant, last 3-year audited balance sheet and tax audit report, GST return of last 12-month of applicant, last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. Business vintage proof. GST certificate or any other business registration proof. Other documents. Sanction letter of all running loan on applicant and co-applicant. Current residence proof. if rented then rent agreement, if owned then latest utility bill. Current business proof, for self-employed. If rented then rent agreement, if owned then latest utility bill. What is KYC for different type of person? Proprietorship form. Copy of PAN card, Aadhaar card of applicant and co-applicant. Passport size photo of applicant and co-applicant. Partnership form, LLP form. KYC of form, LLP. Copy of PAN card of form, LLP, copy of partnership deed. KYC of partner, Aadhaar card and PAN card of partners, passport size photo of each partner. Company. KYC of company, PAN card of company, MOA and AOA and COI. KYC of directors, Aadhaar card and PAN card of directors, passport size photo of each director. What is the maximum loan amount, ROI tenure, processing fees and foreclosure charges on business loan? There are more than 100 plus banks and NBFC and all of them had different policies, but here are the amount. In case of business loan there is no minimum loan amount and maximum limit. Maximum loan amount may be taken for any amount subject to eligibility of applicant. It may be from 50,000 to any amount. There is no upper limit. Tenure. Maximum banks provide business loan for 3-month to 7-year years. But sweet spots are maximum 18-month to 36-month. Rate of interest. ROI depends on the basis of repo rate which is regulated by RBI. Current ROI may be between 17% to 36%. Processing fees. Processing fees vary from bank to bank. It may vary from 2% to 5%. Foreclosure charges. Foreclosure charges are generally 4% to 5% depending on bank to bank. Let's know some other points. Whether business loan can be given if person is not having ITR? Answer is yes, there are multiple programs under which ITR is not required. Whether cash income can be considered for business loan? Answer is no, cash income is not considered in business loan. How much business loan is provided by banks, NBFC? Answer is business loan policies varies from bank to bank. However, generally one bank, NBFC do maximum up to 20 lakh 50 lakh unsecured loan. If one bank, NBFC do loan up to 50 lakh, if someone need 10 crore unsecured whether he can take? Answer is yes, applicant can take loan from different banks, NBFC. If applicant's CIBIL is bad, whether business loan can be taken? Answer is no, for bad CIBIL unsecured business loan is not possible. However, some NBFC are accepting CIBIL up to 650. If applicant is not having own residential or official property means he is both side rented, whether he can get business loan? Answer is yes, in this case some bank, NBFC are doing business loan at higher rate of interest. Whether business loan can be given to startup? Unware is any startup who is having at least 6-month-old may apply for business loan with some bank, NBFC. Why ROI is high for business loan? Annual ROI is generally 18% to 36% in case of business loan. In business loan, ROI is generally reducing nature, which is generally half of flat ROI. ROI is higher because of its nature since it is unsecured.